Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to create community group in WhatsApp Business. So let me show you the steps you can follow. So to create a community group on WhatsApp Business, open your WhatsApp app, go to the menu icon and select a new community, and then provide a name, description and add an icon. You can also choose to add existing groups to your community from here. And however, it's important to note that you cannot currently create a community directly within WhatsApp Business app, as the feature is only available on the standard WhatsApp app. So to access the feature, open regular WhatsApp app, not WhatsApp Business, to access community creation feature, and go to the menu, select new community and follow the prompts to add details like name, description and icon. And you can choose to existing WhatsApp groups to your community. Currently, creating a community directly within WhatsApp app is not possible. So this was the information we needed to show you. Hope this information will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.